All right, boys and girls. So today we're going to talk about ways to plan your writing. Okay? So we're going to think about what do you want to write today? So we're going to think with our brain and we're going to, once we have that thought in our head, what we want to write about, we're going to say it out loud. You're going to say what you want to say. Then you're going to sketch it, okay? What you want to write. Okay, so you're going to illustrate. Remember, that's drawing a picture about your writing. So remember, there's different types of writing. There's a note, there's a picture about your writing. There's different types of writing. You can also, whenever you have a picture, an illustration, you can label it or you can even write a sentence with it. Okay, so today I'm going to ask myself, what do I want to write? So I'm going to think, okay, what do I want to write today? Well, let me see. Oh, I got it. Okay, my son has a tennis game tomorrow, so I'm going to write about my son's game. Okay, so I'm going to write my sentence. Let's see. My son plays tomorrow. And then I put a period because that stops my sentence. Okay, so I got my sentence here. Now remember, when you do your writing, you don't have to write a sentence. You could just label it, just put one word. But if you want to try to write a sentence, that's fine too, okay? So now I have my sentence. Now I need to draw my illustration to match it. So I'm going to draw a tennis ball and a racket. Okay, so remember your illustration. Just try your very best, okay, when you're drawing. See, Miss Diaz is not an artist, but she's doing her very best. Okay, so now I have my sentence. My son plays tomorrow, and then I drew my picture. Okay, now remember what you could also do if you don't have a sentence, you could draw your picture and you can label it. Okay, so you can, like this is a tennis ball, so I'm gonna write here tennis ball. Okay, see how I labeled that? You can do that too. Okay, all right, so now it's going to be your turn. Okay, I want you to think. What do you want to write today? Okay, so you're gonna think, which is like planning. Okay, then you're gonna say it out loud what you thought about that you want to write. Okay, then you're gonna sketch it out on a piece of paper. All right. All right, boys and girls, I can't wait to see the pictures of your writing.